Hi, Lorne Shantz here with Web Geeks. My team thought it would be helpful if I took a couple minutes and just told you a little bit of what it's like to work with Web Geeks. Now, we deal with clients from across North America and other parts of the world, and we come into contact with our clients in a number of different ways. It could be a phone call, it could be a response form off our website, perhaps it was a response to an email, or we met you at a trade show. There's a whole host of variety of ways that we connect with you. Once we've had a chance to talk with you a little bit and understand kind of where you want to head from a digital marketing perspective, we schedule what's called a discovery meeting. And in that meeting, whether it's on the phone or in person, in a very conversational way, we'll sit down and chat about your business. We'll talk about your objectives. We'll talk about your competitors and what you're seeing in the marketplace and the opportunities you want to take advantage of and the challenges that you have. We'll talk about keywords. We'll talk about your website. We'll talk about your social media presence. All these things that contribute to a great online presence, we're going to discuss and get to know what it is that you want to accomplish. Coming away from that meeting, our team will invest a number of hours doing some competitive analysis, doing some keyword research, doing some analysis on your website and on your competitors' websites. We'll look at your local presence. We'll look at your search engine positioning. We'll even look at your AdWord campaigns if you provide us with your credentials to your account. From that, we'll develop a report of findings, and we'll come back and we'll chat with you about what we've discovered, what we see as being problems, what we see as being opportunities, and we'll provide that report of findings to you. Along with the report of findings, we'll provide some recommendations. How can you achieve the goals? What should you be doing next? What are the fundamental things you should be addressing now, and what can you do later in the future? At that point, if you wish, we would be delighted to provide you with a proposal. A proposal will essentially tell you what we think Web Geeks can do for you. We'll outline the challenge, we'll provide what we think is the solution, and give you some fair, value-based pricing options to make it fun, easy, and profitable for you to engage with Web Geeks. At that point, if you like our recommendations, you like our pricing, and you want to move forward with us, we'll schedule an onboarding meeting. During that onboarding meeting, we'll lay out the parameters of the project, the various deliverables, the scope of work. We'll define milestones. We'll review what your responsibilities are, what our responsibilities are, and agree together on timeline. We'll introduce you to an account manager who will be responsible for looking after all aspects of the project and relating to you where we're at and what we need from you, that type of thing. And we'll provide introductions to key members of the team that will be working with you to achieve your business and marketing objectives. Now, if this sounds like a kind of an approach that is comfortable to you, we would really appreciate you getting a hold of us. We'd love to sit down and talk about your needs and see how Web Geeks could help you achieve your business and marketing goals.